Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box. We're just going to do a box of 10-11 Panini Zenith that I did last night on eBay. Between the times of 6:45 and 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Last time it was when we just in at 7:14 and 17 seconds. Current eBay time is 7:03 a.m. on the 31st. Going to do the break right now. Upload to YouTube and circulate links as soon as possible here. Serial number on this box break is NE93723003. Just remember the 003 at the end there. Open up the webcam for you. Let's see how it goes. See if we can actually see that. I think we should be able to. 937230003. Just a reminder to everybody, Panini redemptions in this product will say they're expired. Panini will still honor them though. You might have to call it in, or they might just take it automatically in the system. I'm not quite sure, but they do honor them. We'll open the Dare to Tear last. Do 10 packs per box, I believe, plus the Dare to Tear. Actually, I'm going to slide it all over there. Just easier. Just easier. Alright guys, good luck on Zenith. Base Legends do continue to ship as of right now. Lots of hits usually. Let's go. 1, 2, Ray Bork, card number 126. Base Legends are 116 and higher. Ray Bork for the Boston Bruins. Decoy, a couple more base. We have a Crease is the Word for Cam Ward and the Carolina Hurricanes. We have a Travis Zajac Winter Warriors jersey swatch for the New Jersey Devils. Man, it'd be nice if I could open a pack. We have a Dave Schultz for the Philadelphia Flyers, base legend. Joe Sakic, red hot parallel for the Colorado Avalanche. And we have mosaics, the Detroit Red Wings of Tatar, Lidstrom, and Zetterberg. No jersey swatches on that bad boy. Kelly Rudy base legends for the LA Kings. Richard Bachman for the Dallas Stars, now Edmonton Oilers, but it's Dallas Stars for this card of $9.99. I think he's still with the Oilers. Doug Gilmour base legends for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Tyler Ennis with a jersey swatch for the Buffalo Sabres. Chasing the Cup for the Nashville Predators, Pecorine. Brett Hull base legends for the Dallas Stars. Last regular pack, then we'll move on to the Dare to Tear after I clean away some of the shrapnel here. Yours truly auto of Pecorine for the Nashville Predators. Nice hard sign auto there. Dustin Brown gifted grinders for the LA Kings. Dustin Brown for the LA Kings. Decoy, a couple more base. Okay, let me get rid of these regular hits here, as well as this. The decoys, which I'll use for shipping. And let's get on with the Dare to Tear. Good luck, guys. Ray Bork getting it today. I do butcher the Dare to Tear. I don't do any neat incisions or anything like that. Inside today we have, looks like a rookie, Epic's rookie Markstrom. Jacob Markstrom for the Florida Panthers. not a bad guy. Alright guys, so that's it for the break. I want to thank everybody once again for taking part in it. Again, remind you guys that we'll have 5 boxes going tonight on eBay, so if you're on my website right now watching this, just look under the open breaks tab. You'll be able to see tonight's eBay boxes. Just click there and you'll get taken straight to that section of my store. You won't see any of the individual cards I have listed, which I do have quite a bit, but check those out. Have a good one, everybody.